Good morning, everybody. This is Todd Mitchell for Friday. What is this? God, Friday the 2nd of October already. We're looking at the E-Mini S&P 500, and I am long this market. Unfortunately, a very, very small position. I've only got one contract. Again, I want to trade small size to show those of you out there that only trade onesies and twosies that you can do extremely well just trading a single contract. So, look at this. We bought this at 1887.5. And we're at 92. We're up about 5 points here. All right, and that was my order for bonds to go short bonds. Let's see. I'm going to take profits here. I'm going to just go ahead and take this off because I'm trying to manage two. I didn't know the other one would get hit right now, so I'm going to get out real quick. Long. I got short. I got to just exit this market. Take a little one off here. Alright, so getting distracted here. Now let's flip it to two. Now look at the bonds. Alright, I am back again. It's been about 2 hours since I started the video, but I had some stuff going on, and I just wanted to show you exactly what happened in the interim since we last talked. So the S&Ps, that was a good trade. I'm going to show you that in a minute. We shorted the bonds up in here, as you can see. Okay, we shorted the bonds. We took out $625. Now on this trade, we had 4 contracts. I actually shorted 2 right here, and then 4 up here. So I was short 6 contracts. I exited with a 5-tick profit at my trade up in here. I shorted the bonds at 160.13. 160.13. Covered those at 160.08, so made 5 ticks on 4 contracts. So basically, as you know, 5 ticks on per contract is $156.25. I had 4 contracts at that price, and then I did short 2 at a little lower than that, and pretty much broke even on that. So this trade right up in here, these trades up in here, made $625. As you can see on my chart here, I'm long now, long at 23, right where it's sitting. Okay, and I just got 1 contract because, again, we had news come out this morning at 8:30. It knocked the bonds big time to the upside here. Right here, news at 8:30. Was it jobs or construction? Housing starts, I believe it was. Took it up. Actually, didn't want to jump in front of it, but I had I should have been shorting it right up in here. Did not. Would have made the 5 ticks, but just sat and waited, and then finally got my trade in here and in here. That made some money. Now I'm long, looking for this to potentially resume higher. I just wanted to do 1 contract, being Friday, on this trade and just take out a quick 156. We'll see if we get it. We're looking at 28. We're at 25 right now. My stop now is at 16 on this. Okay, so let's put that in. 159. 16 is the sell stop, and that should pop up in a second. So right below these lows, and I'll be back shortly. All right, I am back. I'm going to move that stop now. We're only 2 ticks away from the profit target at 28, so I'm going to move this stop right here from 159.16 down to below, up to below 159.20 to 159.19. So let's take this and move. You know what? Let's just get rid of this. Get rid of it. Just go 19 right here. Hear that? See that? So what are we risking now? We're risking 4 ticks to make 5 on just 1 single contract. Let's see what happens. Here we go, getting real close now within 1 tick. We'll see if we get hit. All right, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take this to 21 because now we're going in the doldrums. It's 11:23. Not a whole lot of activity. If we back and fill, we're probably just going to consolidate until after lunch. So I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to put this at 21 now and risk 2 ticks. 2 ticks now. Alright, I am back, and as you can see, that was a good trade. I don't know why it's drawing this line down, but this is where I bought it. As you can see, took profits right here, plus 5 ticks on just 1 contract for 156, adding to the 6 1/4 that I was up before. Trading 4 contracts, went down to 1 to show you. That's all you need. So 781. So if I had done if I had done the same amount of contracts I did here, I'd be up a little over $1,000. So bonds, so far good. Let's go to the S&P. And you can see here on the S&P, just had a real small trade. I was totally right in direction, right? We bought this right in here. Look at where what the market's done since. But again, I was focusing on bonds a little bit, and look at the market came back down and gave us another buying opportunity right down in here, but I missed that because I was on the bonds. So, all right, have a great rest of your day and have a great weekend. Hope that helps. Bye for now.